another Science Fun Day and we're gonna be creating fluffy rain clouds. So how about let's start?
We're gonna need water, shaving cream, a clear glass, some food coloring, and an eyedropper or syringe. Let's start by filling the glass about 2/3 full of water. Fill the rest with shaving cream. I've added the shaving cream to fill up over the top of the glass, making it more like a fluffy cloud. Next, let's add some drops of food coloring onto the shaving cream. Here I'm using purple and red, but you could use other colors as well. We must use colored water so it will be seen when it falls through the rain cloud. Watch as we start to see the color weaving its way through the shaving cream cloud and into the water. Pretty cool, right? Let's take a closer look. At first, nothing much happened. This is just like a cloud being filled with water droplets, but the water droplets are not yet big and heavy enough to fall to the ground as rain. It worked! Pretty soon there's lots of beautiful streaks of purple making their way into the water. Now, let's try adding another color. So how does rain form? Water droplets inside a cloud are always moving and bumping into each other. Sometimes, water droplets collide and join together, forming bigger water droplets. If these droplets become big enough, they will start to fall to the ground as rain. In today's experiment, we are making rain clouds by adding more water droplets into the shaving cream cloud. As the water gets too heavy for the cloud, it begins to release it into the atmosphere, also known as the water, which creates rain. Now we're creating a rainstorm. Let's try adding more of our colored water on our shaving cream. Observe as our purple and red water tries to find its way through the shaving cream clouds to get into our water atmosphere. You can create a bigger cloud by putting in more shaving cream or using a bigger glass jar. This way you'll even have more fun as you try to add more colors onto your shaving cream cloud. Honestly, this is one of the most beautiful science experiments I've done so far.
Wow, watching all of those colorful raindrops coming from the fluffy shaving cream was really quite fun. And I do hope that you can also create your own fluffy rain clouds at home. This is your friend Joyce signing off for now. See you next time. Bye!